how to make ants on a log. Ants on a log? That does not sound delicious, but it is. Today, we're going to make a very delicious snack, and you only need 3 things. What do we need? First, we need celery. You need to have celery in about 15 centimeter long pieces. You can buy it like that, or if your celery is long, have a parent help you cut into pieces. You also need peanut butter, and you need raisins, or chocolate chips. Are you ready to make ants on a log? I know I am. Let's go! Before we start, let's learn how to make ants on a log. First, cut the celery into 15 centimeter pieces. Second, spread the peanut butter onto the celery. And third, put your raisins or your chocolate chips on top. Then enjoy! Let's get started. So, we're going to spread the peanut butter inside and onto the celery. Make sure you get it in every nook and cranny, so that way it's filled, like that. You can spread it on all of your celery. And when you're finished, you can choose if you want raisins or if you want chocolate chips. When you put the raisins or the chocolate chips onto your celery, you can make it look pretty. Use the same number for each piece. And here we are, ants on a log. Don't they look like ants? Let's try them.